Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating Selenium WebDriver Reports in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Selenium WebDriver is a powerful tool for automating web applications. In this tutorial, we will explore how to generate reports for your Selenium WebDriver tests in Python using the popular reporting library, Allure. Ensure you have the appropriate WebDriver executable, example chromedriver for Chrome, in your system path or provide its path explicitly in the script. Run the following commands in your terminal. Replace your _script _name with the actual name of your Python script. Open the generated Allure report in your browser, usually at http://localhost port. You will see a detailed report with information on test cases, steps, and any failures. Generating reports for your Selenium WebDriver tests enhances visibility and makes it easier to analyze test results. The Allure framework, combined with Python and Selenium, provides a robust solution for creating comprehensive and interactive test reports. Explore further customization options provided by Allure to suit your specific reporting needs. Feel free to adapt this tutorial to your project requirements and explore additional features offered by Allure and Selenium WebDriver. ChatGPT.